9 vegetables to boost oxygen levels. 1. Beetroot. Beetroots contain naturally occurring nitric oxide that helps dilate the blood vessels and enables unhindered oxygenated blood flow to the tissues. This is the reason beetroot juice is a hit amongst fitness enthusiasts. Several studies also show that beetroot juice can help reduce hypoxia. Consume half a beetroot every day, either raw or boiled. You can toss a few slices in your soup, add it to salads, or make a beetroot smoothie. 2. Carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamins A, B3, B5, B6, and C, choline, potassium, iron, zinc, and copper. They also contain phytochemicals that possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, crucial for detoxifying the body and increasing oxygen supply to the tissues. 3. Spinach. The queen of leafy greens, spinach is loaded with iron, vitamins A, B3, B5, B6, and C, and many antioxidants. Consume a cup of baby spinach in the salad. You can also toss it in the blender to make a smoothie. Check out the recipe of a delicious spinach and kiwi smoothie in the drinks to boost oxygen levels section. 4. Garlic. Garlic is known to promote heart health. It has lipid-lowering, antimicrobial, and antiplatelet properties. Consume at least 1 clove of garlic every day with food. You can add it to marinades or curries or even chew it raw. Note: avoid consuming garlic if you are on anticoagulants. 5. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes with orange or purple flesh contain vitamins A, B3, B5, and B6, iron, copper, anthocyanin, and beta-carotene. Consume mashed, baked, or air-fried sweet potatoes as a snack in salads or side dish. 6. Beans. Beans are legumes that contain a high amount of iron, which is crucial for oxygen transport. Consume blanched or boiled green, black, and dried beans in salads and curries to enrich your meal with iron and other important nutrients to increase oxygen levels in your body. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is loaded with antioxidants and has phytochemicals that help inhibit inflammation. An experiment confirmed a proof of concept that broccoli helps prevent severe COVID-19. However, further studies are required to solidify this proof of concept. Consume half a cup of blanched broccoli florets every day or every other day in salads to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 8. Lettuce. Lettuce is a great source of vitamins A, B3, B5, B6, and C, folate, iron, potassium, and zinc. Consume fresh romaine or iceberg lettuce with salads to add crunch to your food and protect your health. 9. Swiss chard. Swiss chard contains high levels of nitrates. These nitrates actively convert into nitric oxide in the body, which helps the blood vessels expand to allow more blood to flow through and lower blood pressure. Nitrates from dietary sources also may potentially treat cardiovascular disease by generating nitric oxide in areas where oxygen is deficient.